Today we will learn in trigonometry exercise 8.4 question number 6, that is root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. So for this one we will consider LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. For this one you can write like this is equal to root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a into, here it is minus sign is there, so take rationalizing the denominator we have to make it here. So this is 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a, like this. So after doing rationalizing like this, like rationalizing we are doing now, so we can do it like this. So it will be 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a, so this will be 1 plus sin a whole square, like this. This is root of, this is like 1 plus sin a 1 minus sin a, that is 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that is a plus b a minus b, this formula. This will be equal to a square minus b square. Okay, this will be equal to what? A square minus b square. So if you use this one, here it will be 1 square minus sin square a, you will get like this. So now you can write like this, root of 1 plus sin a whole square divided by 1 square is 1 minus sin square a. You know the identity, 1 minus sin square a is a nothing but cos square a. So you can write like this, that is equal to root of 1 plus sin a whole square. So this can be written as cos square a, because sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So cos square a is equal to, you can write 1 minus sin square a. So you can write here cos square a. Now it will be, you can take a root for both, 1 plus sin a whole square divided by root of cos square a. So this square and root get cancels, root and square get cancels, it is remaining 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Okay, for this one you can make like this, that is equal to 1 by cos a plus sin a. So divided by cos a, in the denominator cos a is there, so here 1 divided by cos a plus sin a by cos a you can write. So 1 by cos a is equal to, you know, sec a plus sin a by cos a, you know that it is tan a. So this will be RHS, which is equal to RHS. See here sec a plus tan a, you are having here, see in the question, sec a plus tan a. So LHS is equal to RHS, you can have like this. So you can write here the formula, 1 by cos a is equal to sec a, and sec tan a is equal to, what is the formula, sin a divided by cos a. You can write tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta also. So here angle a is given, so tan a is equal to sin a by cos a. So this is our question number 6. Now we can learn question number 7, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So consider LHS. So after considering LHS, you can take common here, taking common in the numerator as well as in the denominator, taking common, what is common here, sin theta, so you can take the sin theta common. If you take the sin theta common here, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta as it is now. So divided by, here if you take cos theta common, here you will remember getting 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now sin theta by cos theta tan theta, you know that. Now these two terms should be cancelled. So to cancel these two terms, what to do, let's see here, sin theta as it is you write. So in the bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta can be written as what, sin square theta can be written as, before that you know the formula. See, just you can go through this, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta you can write here 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, bracket complete, divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 you keep as it is. Now multiply here like this, sin theta as it is into bracket 1 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta, okay, divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now you can have like this sin theta. See here 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so 2 cos square theta you can write first only. Here it is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, so you can write minus 1 here. Okay, so divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. See here 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 get cancels here, so remaining is sin theta by cos theta. We know the formula, tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. So you can have this one here as tan theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, which implies it is RHS. So in the question you can see here LHS is this one, RHS is tan theta. What we got the answer now, just so you can go through that one. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So next we will learn question number 8 is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So if you see this one, you consider LHS. Here it is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. You know the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if you apply here, so what you will get here, see what is a here, sin a, what is b here, cosec a, consider a as here and b as sec a, b a. So a square is sin square a here, you can directly apply, plus b is cosec square a plus 2 into a is sin a, b is cosec a, you can write like this. Okay, plus you can have here a square is cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 into a is cos a into sec a, you can write. Okay, so if you have like this, now you can make the terms one side sin square a cos square a, sin square a plus cos square a you can make one side, plus here you can write cosec square a plus sec square a one side, this and this you can write. Now what is remaining here, plus 2 sin a, cosec a can be written as 1 by sin a plus 2 cos a into sec a can be written as 1 by cos a, because we know the formula here, cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a, and you know that sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. So this cos a get cancels, sin a get cancels, and since you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this can be written as 1 plus cosec square a formula, you know that 1 plus cot square a plus sec square a, you know that 1 plus tan square a formula. Okay, this one can be written as this one, and this can be written as this one. Okay, so why you are getting like this, plus here it is 2, again plus it is 2. Okay, because here it is cancelled, means it is 1 only. So since why we are writing this one, 1 plus cot square a is equal to, we know the identity, cosec square a, and one more you know that 1 plus cot tan square a is equal to secant square a, you know. Okay, so here it will be 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, as it is here it is tan square a plus cot square a, so which is equal to what, RHS. So therefore you can take LHS is equal to RHS. So you must remember all the identity. So you can have in the question 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, that only I have written here by applying the a plus b whole square formula. Okay, just identities you have to use here so that you will get the answer in a proper way. Next we will study question number 9, that is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A into cot A. And they have mentioned in the question that simplify LHS and RHS separately. Okay, hint. Okay, both we will see here. So here it will be what? So just you convert, here it is tan A cot A, means in terms of sin A cos A only you have to make cos sin A cos A is there. So just cosec A and sec A you convert. So cosec A can be written as 1 by sin A minus it is sin A, okay, into it is 1 by cos A minus it is cos A. So why? Because you write here cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A and write sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So now take the LCM. If nothing is there, 1 is there. If nothing is there, 1 is there. So sin A is LCM here. So this will be 1 minus sin square A, because here it is 1, so multiplying by sin. Okay, so it will be 1 minus sin square A into, here it will be cos A, here it will be 1 minus cos square A. How did you get this one? By taking LCM. By taking LCM, because here it is cos A, here it is 1 is there, so multiply by cos A, numerator and denominator. Here sin A to the numerator and denominator, you will get this one. So this can be written as 1 minus sin square A, you know the formula, cos square A you can write, okay, divided by sin A you can write, into 1 minus cos square A can be written as 1 sin square A divided by cos A. So this can be cos A, and this one cos A get cancels, sin A and this sin A get cancels. So here it will be cos A into sin A. Okay, so directly here only, why we are writing? Because sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We know the formula. So here it will be cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A you can write. Similarly you can write sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A you can write. So by these two formula I have written here cos square A, 1 minus sin square A is cos square A and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A from here directly. So this LHS and RHS you can take like this. So this will be what? Equation number 1. So consider this equation number 1. Now you will consider what? Next RHS. RHS is what? Here 1 by tan A into cot A is there, na? By considering tan A into cot A, we will find out, so that you will get cos A into sin A, that we will see. So we have the RHS 1 by tan A into cot A. So this can be written as 1 by sin A divided by cos A into cot A is given what? So not this is tan A into cot A, this is tan A plus, okay, so this will be plus cos A divided by sin A. Okay, so now it will be what? 1 divided by, so take the LCM here, sin A into cos A you can take. Already cos A is there, so it can be written as sin square A. So already sin A is there, so cos A multiplication, here numerator and denominator, so it will be cos square A. Taking LCM, you will get, taking LCM you will get like this. Okay, so now this can be written as like this. What is this? 1 divided by, what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1 divided by sin A into cos A. So since sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, so this is the identity. By this, using this one, so this can be written as what? I told A by B divided by C by D, A by B whole divided by C by D. This can be written as A by B into D by C. So this one 1 by 1 into, this is, you know, if nothing is there, 1, so this is 1 by, okay, so this will come to the denominator, will come to the numerator, numerator will, so for that this is not 1 here, it is divided by 1 here it is, so it will come to the numerator sin A into cos A, so divided by 1 it is, so this will be what? Sin A into cos A. So this is called 2. So by 1 and 2, by 1 and 2 you can say that LHS is equal to RHS. This is one thing. Okay, or you can write this 1 you got what? 1 you got as like this here, cosec A minus sin A into minus cos A is equal to sin A into cos A you got. Correct. When you got sin A into cos A divided by, if nothing is there, 1 is there. So you can write like this, sin A into cos A, this can be written. So divided by 1 is not there, means you can write here it is sin square A plus cos square A, because why? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 identity, we know that. So by this, if you write, what you can write here, sin square A, this one is there na, sin square A plus cos square A. What we can do now, like from the denominator we were taking upper side na, so in that way we can take sin A cos A divided by, so you can write sin A divided by sin square A divided by sin A into cos A plus cos square A divided by, you can make sin A into cos A. So if you make here cos A and cos square get cancelled, sin square and this get cancels, so this is divided by, what is sin A by cos A? Tan A, plus what is cos A by sin A? Cot A, you can write. Okay, so this is your RHS. Directly you can write this one, or separately you can solve LHS and RHS and you can bring the answer, or you can take like this and you can do. Okay, so here it is, you can write the formula, sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Similarly you can write cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. This formula, by this formula we can do this one. So this step is very important. Okay, like this you can take. Okay, so our numerator, if you do here dividation sin A by cos A, these two steps are same. Okay.